Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, and Chancellor of the National Defence University, Kenya, Honorable Julius Ogamba, the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Chief of the Defence Forces, General Charles Kahariri, the Principal Secretary Defense, Dr. Patrick Mariro, the Vice Chief of Defense Forces, members of Parliament present, led by the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations, Honorable Nelson Koech, honorable members of Parliament from Nakuru County, service commanders, members of the University Council, Vice Chancellor of the National Defence University, Kenya, Lieutenant General Mutai, other Vice Chancellors present, Deputy Vice Chancellors, Commandants, Principals and Directors of University Colleges, members of the University Senate, members of the Diplomatic Corps present, General Officers, faculty, distinguished guests, our graduates and families, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and a deep sense of accomplishment that I stand before you today as we celebrate the graduation of our accomplished students from the National Defence University, Kenya. This second graduation ceremony marks not just a milestone in the academic journey of our graduates, but also the growth and commitment of this great institution. It reflects the commitment of the university to its vital role in shaping and enhancing not only Kenya's, but also the regional and international security and leadership. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each of the graduates. Today, we honor your dedication. You can clap for yourselves. You have done a tremendous job. Today, we honor your dedication, your hard work, and perseverance. As you prepare to serve your countries and institutions with distinction, I wish to remind you to stay true to the values, skills, and knowledge that have been imparted to you. Your Excellency, the National Defence University, Kenya, is a cornerstone of the Ministry of Defence core mandate. Through its 7 colleges, the university has been instrumental in the development of strategic thinkers, policy developers, and leaders capable of tackling the complex security challenges of our time. The students who will be graduating today or who have just graduated are not just scholars, but architects of security, tasked with shaping the future of our nation, our continent, and the world at large. Today's ceremony is a testament of the university's strategic role in this important journey. This university has transformed into a vital hub for interdisciplinary collaboration, essential for addressing both current and emerging security challenges. Over the past year, Your Excellency, I have witnessed the university's growing influence in the discourse around ethics, leadership, and national security through trainings conducted for senior members within the Executive Office of the President, including induction sessions for cabinet secretaries and principal secretaries. on the said topics. Additionally, the university hosted impactful symposiums aimed at crafting strategies to counter cybersecurity threats and seize digital opportunities for national progress. It also brought together commandants from various African military institutions through the Senior Professional Military Education Commandants Forum, a gathering that reinforced our commitment to national security cooperation, mutual respect, and the open exchange of expertise among African defense institutions. Your Excellency, on this occasion, I wish to encourage the university to continue nurturing these dialogues across the security spectrum by positioning itself as a vital resource for policy development and strategy formation and capacity building. The university can continue to serve ministries, departments, and agencies of government with distinction. And as we have witnessed, this goes beyond our borders to the region and the continent at large. The achievements of this university are a collective effort, and I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to you, Your Excellency, for your unwavering leadership as President, Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, and Chancellor of this university. I also wish to express my appreciation to the Ministry of Education and the National Treasury and the University Council for their steady support for the institution. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the tireless effort of the entire university management and the entire community. Your dedication has made this day a success. And now, to our graduates, let me extend my warmest congratulations on the successful completion of your academic programs. This achievement speaks to your hard work, sacrifice, and sense of duty. The discipline, commitment, and resilience you have shown are qualities that will guide you well as you embark on your diverse professional careers. As you step forward, you will encounter both rewarding triumphs and inevitable challenges. The education and training you have received have equipped you to face this head-on. But it is your character and dedication that will ultimately define your success. The world requires leaders who embody strength and compassion, warriors who are also peacemakers. Yes, warriors who also embody peacemaking. I urge you to uphold the values of honor, integrity, service, and duty as you adapt, innovate, and lead with courage and wisdom. May your careers be filled with success, and may your contributions bring peace and security to your nations and to the world. This is only the beginning of your journey, and I am confident that you will make all of us proud. Congratulations once again to the NDUK class of 2024. I thank you. I now take this opportunity with honor to invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces and the Chancellor of the National Defense University, Kenya, to make his remarks. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, Minister. Let's take our